Hello, my dear students. Yesterday we discussed about the fertilization in humans. Fertilization, the different types of fertilization in animals. In animals, fertilization is of two types, that is internal fertilization and external. Internal fertilization, and another is external fertilization. External fertilization. Internal fertilization and external fertilization. Internal fertilization means the fertilization which occurs inside the body of an animal. For example, that means the fertilization which occurs inside the body of an animal. Example, humans. In humans, fertilization is internal. In birds fertilization is internal. Mammals also, or you can say humans and mammals, they are same. In case of dogs, birds, hens, ducks, these are all animals which have internal fertilization. Internal fertilization means the egg is produced by the female body, and then the sperms are inserted, sperms are introduced, sperms are put inside in the body of the female, and then the inside body of the female the fertilization occurs. This is internal fertilization. That means zygote is formed inside the female body. The zygote is formed inside the female body. Next is external fertilization. External fertilization means the fertilization which occurs, the fertilization which occurs outside the body of an animal, usually inside water. That means in some animals fertilization is not internal but external. For example, frog, fish. The male frog and female frog, they release both egg and they are released into the water, and sperms by males, they are also released inside the water. Then in water, the egg plus sperm, they fuse to form zygote in water. It is not inside the body of female. These animals, when they release eggs and sperm is inside water, in water many animals can eat their eggs and sperms, and this is the reason that those animals which have external fertilization like frog, fish, etc., they can release eggs in thousands and millions. These sperms and eggs are released in thousands and millions, because outside the body these eggs can be eaten by the predators, by other animals, so that when hundreds and thousands of eggs are released inside water, some eggs may develop, or some sperms and eggs can fuse and form zygote and may develop into the young animal. That is the reason that those animals which have external fertilization, they release eggs and sperms in hundreds and thousands. Why? Because some eggs and some sperms are eaten by some other animals. To avoid such eatings, the hundreds and thousands of eggs are released, so that some eggs and some sperms can form the zygote and continue their race. This was the external and internal fertilization. Regarding this, another important thing regarding this fertilization is that in human females, females. I made here that ovary like this, reproductive system like this. The oviduct. Sometimes the oviducts of some females are blocked by some type of cysts, by some type of tumors. Then these females cannot release eggs. And the sperms cannot reach to the eggs because of the blockade of this oviduct. In such cases, the zygote is not possible to be formed inside the female. But science has developed a technique known as test tube baby. In test tube baby technique, what does a doctor do? A doctor removes a fresh egg from ovary from the female which is having any problem in the oviduct. When the doctor removes a fresh egg from the ovary, and the sperm is collected from the male or from her husband, and then they are combined together in a laboratory, and when the inside laboratory the egg and sperm are kept in a visible atmosphere, like the atmosphere or like the environment which is inside the body. Then here the zygote develops. That means zygote is developed outside the body of the female. Then the zygote is again inserted into the female's uterus. Here the zygote is again inserted in the female's uterus, and after 9 months the baby will get born by the mother. And such type of babies and such type of young ones are known as test tube babies. And this technique is known as IVF, in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization means the fertilization in the environment, in laboratory conditions. In vitro fertilization means fertilization under laboratory conditions. Thank you. Have a nice day.